welcome back to the channel. Today, ow, fuck, doesn't matter. So today we're finishing off the build. I have did some changes, Ashley, yes, I have. You can see, that up here, oops. And I also got these to help me out to finish building. Oh, I didn't mean to, doggy, I'm sorry. Oh, floating beds. I forgot that you can do that. So yeah, I am now building. So let's finish this off up here. You can stand, buddy. So today we're adding on rooms, we're adding on rooms. So let me get this done up here, then I'll show you. And I'm also deciding to move my pets. I don't know where I'm gonna move them to, but I'm gonna move them. Oops. Come on, get out. Why can't you guys get out? Come on, let's go. Get out. Get out of the hole. Come on, get out of the hole. Thank you. Yeah, sorry cats, I'm taking your beds. Stand up. Come on, get out of there. Can you? Come on, get out. And I'm sorry I hit you, but you need to get out. Why can't that dog not get out of the hole? Out hole. Hole dog. Ooh, new name. Like Markiplier calls his boat dog. Guess what? I got a hole dog here. Come on, hole dog, get out. Oh, now I just need. No, I'm keeping you like that. Yes, we're gonna call you hole dog. Hole dog. Hole dog. Hole. God damn it, cat! Get out of the way! Damn. Let's finish building. No, not a dog! Why you take up so much room? You can sit there. I think. Come on, dog, get out of the hole. Not you, this dog. Wait, why do you need one? Well, this one needs 4. I guess it's standing, so I guess that's why. Come on, get out. Out! Stop being in the hole. Come here. Come over here. Oh. Sit there. Where's my 2 beds? I'll put them right here. And I'll just have all the cats stand up so they can lay down. Because cats love beds. Wait, why am I... Just make it nighttime so I can sleep. Aw, that's adorable. Alright. All cats lay down. Lay down. Or not. Let's just have all dogs move. No, I'm taking your beds. My beds. Stand, 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 stand. Did I read all the cats? Stand. Wait, I swear there was two. Oh, I guess there's two of the same kind. Don't die. No! No! Idiots! There we go. No! No! God damn it! No! My wolves! Damn it! Why did you guys attack the wolf? You serious? You like chest? Damn it! I'm going to creative for that. I worked so hard. Damn it. Why did the wolves have to attack the iron golem? One. Stand. How many died? 4. Sorry. Stand. So that's 3. Come here. Oh, I'm getting 2 more just for that. There we go. And because of that, I'm creating iron golem. 2 iron golems. Where are the villagers? Do not attack. I repeat, do not attack. Get off my chest. And I can go into survival now. Come here. Come on, come on. Where's the cats? Maybe I go do this. Wait, I did have 5 cats. Come on, get on the bed, cat. There you go. Everything's fixed. Now back to work. As we go. So, today we're creating a new room. Yes. So, I want to create a tree room and a workbench. Now, I'm gonna grab all the dirt. But I think I want to put the trees underneath the farm. And I might want to create a new farm. I also want to make this. So let's see. Wait, can you jump on these? This would be perfect, but this needs to be lower. I don't know how low, but it needs to be lower. So let's get a shovel. And I'll be right back. So, excuse me, boys. Hi, cats. Why did I do that? That's an axe. No, I'm taking all the crops. Okay, so let's get down to business. I don't know how big a tree grows. But Zep, we need room. Fuck. Fucking Christ. God, that thing's a mess. How big did I make this thing? Should this really be a farm? So yeah, let's see. I'm gonna just go do this, 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 and this, and this, and just make a case. I forgot to do that. That's quite cool, actually. I forgot I did that. Oh, there's also iron, so I might as well take the iron. Yeah, I'll grab you one day, iron. Till then, I need to figure out what to do. I am working on the railroad. I am minding so I can make a tree farm. I am mining so I can make a tree farm, tree farm, tree farm. I am mining so I can have a tree farm. Do 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 do. And here I fall. Make sure I don't fall again. There's no light down here. Uh-oh, no light. Yeah, I might need to work on that actually. Oh, more iron. Let's see, let's get rid of those. There we go. God damn it. Come on. There we go, okay. This is actually quite cool. Ooh, now I'm getting an idea from this actually. So let's put the tree in the middle, of course. We need to light this place up, like really light it up. So let's have a tree, and a tree. Okay. So 1, and then this would be a 1, Then this would be 1. And then this would be a 1. I think that's how I'm planning them, right? Nope. Right about there. Right about there. Right about there. And right about there. And then we're going to just have this one in the center. That would do. And we'll just throw the zappings down there. Oh no. With this flower. I do have all this dirt though. Yeah, I want to do this. Why? Because it gives off like a cool design-ish. So I want to do this. So I actually want to do this. Yeah, no, I'll just save it for last. We need to get it out of here first. Let's do that. God damn it. Hey guys, how you doing? So, oh god, we got a lot to do here. So, we got all these here. And then we got all this dirt. I'll just put the dirt in here too. I might as well. And then we can put that there. Put that there. Put these together. Oh, these are different. Okay. Put those in there. And put that in there. Where's the food chest? Put this in the food. This in the food. There. There. And there. And there. And then there. Ingots. Just put that there. And then I can do that later. Put that in the corner. Put that there. I did have lanterns. No, wait, no. I need a light. I need fresh. I need a torches. Let's get back down there. Huh. Didn't realize how big this thing was. Okay, so give me the torch. Oh, yeah, we need my list too. Thank you. So let's put torch there. Oh wow, look at that. It's going back. Actually, no. Let's keep this. There we go. I do want to add on to this. But now, I'm gonna create a room for food. Yes, I'm gonna add in a new room. And let's add it in this way. Hi. But here's the thing, this is gonna be the whole room. Well, it just makes sense. What was the point of this? Yeah, no. Tell you abandonment. We would never talk about that again. We do not talk about that. What we do is we keep building in this room. Make this into a room. For many reasons. Wait, no, I changed my mind. We're making this narrower. I changed my mind. We're not making this into a room. We're making this into another hallway. Yes, a narrower hallway. Why? Because I don't know why. But we do need torches. Oh, yeah, we got torches. Ooh, bunch of coal. We need it. Ooh, we hit the jackpot for coal. Give me a second. The reason why I'm doing this so we can add massive rooms now. So you have seen that we have small rooms, but now let's go add in massive rooms. Now, as some of these features don't get in the way, of course. I don't know how big the rooms might be. So let's make this into a doorway. See, it already leads into a room. And now we can make it bigger. Wait, how much did we add on? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5. So let's have... Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, let's have 10, no. 11 by 11. 11 by 11. Yeah, there we go. 11 by 11. So 11 by 11 we should have. That would be good, actually. So how much is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we might need to have this 3 blocks high, actually. Let's have a torch back here. Maybe like right about there. Hey, just put. There we go. God damn it. Pickaxe. Also, we should short things out here. There we go. Yeah, so we keep adding on doing this. Do 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 do. Keep mining at this. Like we got nothing to worry about. Okay, so we got 11 by 11. Now we just need to mine the upper ceiling. I am not adding walls yet because we don't need that right now. We're only focusing on adding on. We will only focus on, because the reason why is because, yeah. So let's make this into the smoker room. Wait. Okay, maybe not 11 by 11 anymore. There we go. Oh, hey, Failure. You're up here. Hey, where's that torch? There we go. Oh, hey, guys. How you doing? Okay, you gotta keep standing. Oh, another guy. Hi. Do you guys ever do your jobs? Like, just asking. Oh, wow, more coal. Didn't even realize. Coal, 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 coal. We are mining coal. We are mining coal. Oh, we are mining coal. This is super cringy. We are mining coal. We are mining coal. Oh. Oh god. It's really hard to talk by yourself since now since I'm trying to be a YouTuber, this is actually quite hard. I'm even playing the game that I'm trying to focus on. Let's see. Should we do that? Or should we do like 2 in? Let's see what's happening when we have 2 in. No, doesn't seem right. It would be cool, but it doesn't seem right. Oh. Excuse me, sorry. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. Nope. Dun, 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 dun. Actually, I like this. This is much better. Well, that room is done. And just to make it easier, we're just gonna make it 3-door. Yeah, that's much better. Oh, God. I need to do something fast. So let's just do that. Now I think about it, I want to change these into bedrooms too. I can, but then I don't want to. But should I? You know what? This is just the end of the video. I think it took too long just to add one room. Yeah. Sorry to disappoint you people, but yeah, I'm ending off the video here. Almost 40 minutes. So yeah, this doesn't seem much, but yeah. But bye. Have a great time. Leave a like and subscribe.